Hello and welcome to my first ever proper drone review. So today I have a Apex racing drone. It's in red and let's get to it. So this is Apex GD-65A racing drone for Indonesian market only, but I'm not Indonesian, so oh well. At least I've got it. So I'll unbox it quickly so that you can all see what it comes with. So it's pretty neatly packaged, I'd say. So we've got the charger with obviously the soldering pins in it. Not bent because it's new. Got the actual Apex drone and the controller. It's quite small if I was to put it next to my hand. Look at that. And the drone itself is quite small. So here's its one battery it comes with. I suppose you could probably buy more, but yeah, lithium. It comes with a set of spare rotors, front and back, and a single screw, I suppose, that you can screw in the this. So the first thing I'm going to say is batteries are not included. I've got these myself, these two batteries in here. They're AAAs and you need two of them. So the drone also, it has to be charged before you use it first. And I have used this one before. So it takes about 25 minutes to charge and the charge life is, I'd say, around 6 to 7 minutes. So yeah, let's actually get to using the drone. So, the drone itself, I reckon, is pretty easy to build, yeah. So, I like to have it with the bin side up, so that it's just easier to put into the... There we go, it's in and on. So, the remote, you just click on, down, up, down. And then to calibrate, you just hold it right on both of them till it flashes for 3 seconds. So, yeah, let's see how it flies. Solid. Nice. So, the drone itself has 3 speed modes. The first speed mode, it's not very fast. But the second speed mode, it's alright. And then, where it actually comes into its own is the third speed drone. Whee! Don't crash it. Nice. Excellent. Crashed it on its second run today. So, what you'll be quite impressed with is the speed stunt, where you hold it until it flashes and then do that, and it's up. It also has a headless mode, so when you actually want to launch it, but you can't be bothered to do it properly, you just press the headless mode button, and whichever way is forward, it goes. So, yeah. That flashing means that it's running out of battery, so, oh no, it's not. How strange. Crashed into a blanket. Epic. So, well, flashing, on this, generally means, it's running out, but as you can probably see, you can, change the colour. I quite like green. But, for me, I reckon the best thing is, it's really easy for beginners, so you can just fly it however you want. Ah! It's attacking me. So yeah. And also it has a return home function. So if I was to fly it over here, you can't see it, but I'm just going to press this button and it comes back. Generally. Never said it had to land. It said it came back. So, just gonna I reckon this drone is quite hard to land because whenever you get it close to the floor, it moves quite a lot and it doesn't turn off straight away. So, but other than that, I'd say solid 8 out of 10 drone for beginners. So I'll get started this and I'll tell you when it runs out of battery and how long it takes. So, yeah. I mixed. Right, so I've been playing with it for an extra about 3-4 minutes off camera. So yeah, I was right. It's about 6 minutes run time. So I'm just gonna let you see what it looks like when it is running out of charge. That's not it. It's just ready. So move that so that you can see it. Right. Down, up, down, calibrate. 2, 3, and then, God, wrong way. I thought it was facing towards you, so I've just crashed it. Epic, once again. Right, so I'm gonna angle it up so that you can kind of see it fly around. So I'm gonna put it onto speed mode 3 because it's the only one I properly use. Because, yeah. Try and keep it here-ish. Because, yeah. Drone flew around. You can't see that. Right, so here. It's running out. It's flashing. You can hear the beep, beep, and that's just telling you it's out of charge. So if it was in a normal, like, outside scenario, you press return to home, it comes back-ish. I'm gonna say it's not the most accurate, and then it lands itself because it's run out, it's flashing, but there's no up thrust or down thrust, so you can't actually do anything with it when it's like this. So yeah, off. And then just to finish, you'd take out the plug thing and then pull it out because apparently you're not meant to keep it inside the drone, so you just take it out, and then if I was to go and get the charger, wherever I may have put it, I found it, it's there. Right, so with the charger, hang on, I'll take you over to where I'd charge it. So, let's go. So, there it is. That's the charging port. This doesn't come, this came with my phone. So, yeah, but as you can see, it glows red when you're charging, and whenever it finishes charging, it stops glowing red, and then you can take it out for a flight. So overall, I'd say a solid 8 out of 10 drone. I'd recommend it for beginners. The link to buy it is in the description, because I'm not allowed to do any reviews without linking it. Yeah, so should see it then. If you would like to see me use it like properly, I'll set up an obstacle course out of stuff in my bedroom because it's messy. I will do it. So if you can reach 3 likes because it's a new channel, I'll do that. So, choose.